Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how you would change the cabin air filter. And so the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. And so we're going to open up the glove box. You're going to take out what you have inside of it, because otherwise you're just going to dump it out on the ground. Now you'll need to twist these little knobs and caps and just remove them. And once those are removed, it'll come down a little bit more, but we want it to come a little bit more. So over here there's a dampener on the right hand side, and we just pop this little dampener off, and that way it's able to open. And then we're going to want to squeeze this connector here and be able to pull this cover off. And we can see that this cabin air filter has not been replaced in quite some time. We're going to do our best to pull it out without losing all the debris into the blower motor. And that is a very dirty cabin air filter. So you take your new filter and be able to get it in those channel groove there, and then we just press it in from both sides until it's fully inserted, and then you take the cover, snap that back on, and then you would raise this back up, put the dampener connection on, and then you got to raise this up a little bit more and line these in. Turn it. That locks those into place. Then you can just go ahead and put what you have in your glove box back in. And that's how you would change your cabin air filter on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.